welcome back to my channel. I'm Janaya and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm doing a continuation of my previous video, which was an application video. This one is just going to be me shaping and just cleaning up everything. So the first thing I'm doing is going over the surface of the nail with my sanding band. I'm making sure that I'm holding the sanding band parallel to the surface of the nail, especially when going on the natural surface of the nail, because you can create digs and stuff like that. So I'm just pretty much just going over the surface, making sure everything is smooth. But I do go over with a hand file, and I do this a couple of times. So pretty much looking at it from different angles, and you hear the tapping. That's how you know when the acrylic's ready or not. When it has a high-pitched tapping, that's how you know it's dry. And if it sounds kind of dull, that's how you know you need to wait a little bit. And this area is the most commonly missed area, and this is oh my gosh, y'all, here we go again. It's the commonly missed area, and it's the main reason why nails become wide and thick is because you're not filing those areas. But I'm gonna come back to that. So I'm sealing my cuticles. I'm going in with my comb bit, and I'm just going in, making sure I'm getting as close as I can to the cuticle without cutting the skin. Focusing on the area that I just pointed out, and then I'm gonna focus on the area on the opposite side as well. So when shaping, we do want to have like that natural flow, so it kind of has like a cliff. So I went from holding my file angled, and now I'm holding it more like at like a 30-degree angle instead of like a 40-degree, if y'all know what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just repeating this process. I do take my time with this because sealing the cuticle is one of the most important steps. If you don't properly do so, you know, moisture and stuff can get underneath and it will cause the nail to lift. You also want to make sure that when applying your acrylic, you don't want to get acrylic on the skin, because this is the part when we have to try to remove it without hurting the client. And if you don't remove all of it, that will also cause lifting as well. So I'm just going around, making sure that that blend from like the cuticle to the nail to the apex is smooth. It has like that smooth transition. We don't want no like cliffs or no like bumps, just a smooth natural flow. Just make it look natural. So now I'm going in with my e-file, making sure I'm getting the side walls. You see the areas that I'm focused on? Those are the areas that make your nails thick. I'm going underneath the nails, y'all. We need to make sure that the underneath is sharp. Sometimes we get acrylic underneath and it's lumpy and we forget those parts. And like I said before, I go over it with my hand file. So this is me just filing it again, making sure that everything is smooth. Sometimes the nails might look boxy on the sides, so I'll just go in and kind of like smooth the side walls. The forward and back motion is shaping, up and down is sharpening. So right now you just see me going forward and back, but towards the end you'll see me start to go up and down to kind of just sharpen out the shape. Again, you do want to make sure that you're taking your time with this and just getting all of like the creases and crevices, areas where the acrylic is hiding. So I'm going over again with my e-file around the side walls. My nails are thick, they're like wide. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna keep going in and narrowing the side walls. You can see like that light part and then the dark part, how it's kind of like a transition. That's the area that we tend to miss, and it causes it to look wide and thick and fat. So you see that cliff? That's what I'm referring to, y'all. Like that cliff, you just got to smooth it out. So I'm making sure that everything is nice, everything is straight, looking at it from different angles. And now I'm gonna go in and shape my nails again. Like I said, the forward and back motion is shaping, and up and down is sharpening. So you see me going up and down, so I pretty much shape them. If I keep going forward and back, I'm gonna end up with coffin nails. So you just want to keep going up and down on the side walls to just sharpen the shapes out, and then going with your sanding band and go along the free edge to create that sharp edge. This is me going over one last time to just make sure everything is smooth before I buff. This is pretty much just like the final walkthrough, so you just want to really make sure that you're taking your time, looking at the nails from different angles, flipping the hand over, flipping the hand underneath, and just making sure that you're getting everything in it as sharp and as crisp as you can possibly get it. But yes, this is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. I pretty much will be here all night trying to make sure that they're perfect, so I pretty much just cut it out. But you do see me using my sanding band. We're able to use that as well to sharpen the sides. You don't have to just use a hand file. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you have any video suggestions, questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll probably make a video depending on what it is that you guys suggest. If not, I might already have a video on it. But yes, you guys, I will see y'all in the next video.